I just got him, and he's so cute. He talks a little and whistles, but he's not completely comfortable yet. So I'm trying to get him comfortable. He's just so cute. I just ordered some stuff on Amazon for him, and it just came in today, so this is the package that I just got, and I opened it, but I haven't opened the stuff that I got yet. So it's that, and then these thingies, I don't know how good those are, but we'll see if he likes them. And then I got these, which it said that they're for birds too, but on the package it says for rabbits, guinea pigs, and other small animals. But yeah, so I'm going to open them and lay it all out so I can show you guys. So this is the stuff. It's like a flat poach thing, and then this is also a little poach thing, like bridge thing. And then all these toys have like a bell on them. There's that, and then a bunch of bells, and then this thingy, and another bell with some string. Yeah, so I only spent $30 on this stuff. And then I went to PetSmart, and I got some toys and food and treats and all that from PetSmart. I'm just trying to get him used to his surroundings and all that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll try to upload more videos. Bye.